going, guys? Another fantastic day in Dubai. Today we're headed back to the Dubai Autodrome. And we are back. Oh, it's pretty fast. Wow. Archie is getting fitted and getting to drive a multi-million-dollar race car tomorrow. I'm so jealous. So you're sure they won't let me drive it? No, I'm just kidding.
No, well, I said Parker might drive, and they were like, don't bother bringing him.
What is the license called that you need?
International C.
All right.
Which basically allows you to, I've actually got B. B actually allows you to do everything.
So Archie was saying the C-Type, if it's real, is worth more than $10 million, but we're not sure if it's a replica or not. I mean, it is Dubai. Get a load of this LMP1 Le Mans car. That is so cool looking. Could you imagine? They need to make some more street legal cars that look like this. I imagine maybe a Formula One car under here. Beautiful E30 M3. So this is one of the cars owned by the team Archie is racing for. Porsche 962 twin turbocharged. Absolutely insane. Look at the cockpit in here. Right-hand drive. And look how far to the sides the turbochargers are mounted. One on each side, almost all the way to the edge of the car. All right, Archie, walk me around this beast that you're driving tomorrow. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. Massive V12. Yeah. Look at the airbox on that, all carbon fiber. That is unbelievable.
Yeah, and then if you look inside,
they forgot to put the passenger seat for me.
Carbon fiber doors. You won't want to lose.
How light are the carbon fiber doors? Can you pick one up? Oh, wow. So this is the view from behind the steering wheel that Archie's going to be experiencing tomorrow with that sequential manual. It's pretty cool. He said for downshifts, you actually have to blip the throttle. So you heel toe, even though it's not a full traditional manual for the sequential gearbox. Let's go over some of the buttons here. We've got traction control. What's the pass mean?
It's just some sort of mapping, probably a fuel mapping.
Gotcha. Same with the mapping here. Wipers, fan, rain light. Wow, this is hectic. There are a lot of different...
A lot of them are fuses though, backup fuses. So like in the 24 hours of Le Mans, to get back to the pits, you need like backup things. Things go wrong. So the team will just tell you to do a few different things.
This is not the...
that's Le Mans.
Yeah, this is not the Autodrome.
No, that's just an original Le Mans track.
That's very cool.
And then to brake, you would hit the brake with your right foot, with that foot.
Yeah.
And then put the clutch down as well.
Oh, so you do have to use the clutch to downshift? I thought you said you don't.
You don't really have to, but if you're being nice to the car,
sure,
then we will.
Yeah.
Because you just want to be nice to the car. But yeah, you could get away with right foot and blipping the throttle.
So essentially you are driving this like a traditional manual, but it's not an H pattern, it's just back and forth.
I left foot brake. I'm not aware of what I can and can't do yet. But if they tell me to right foot brake, then I'll have to right foot brake. You do have a radio, yeah?
Yeah. So remember it's on a paddle.
Your radio's on the paddle?
The Aston radio is on a paddle. It's not a paddle shift, is it? So the
No,
radio,
oh right, it's
so
there.
it's on a paddle, yeah.
Oh, there you go, I didn't know that.
Don't really need any of this. Pit lane speed limits up, obviously, because it sounds amazing.
Yeah.
Just don't go flat, like tickle it a bit, because otherwise it'll overfuel and potentially catch fire. So, like 10%,
Okay, yeah.
Like 10-15%
10, yeah.
throttle. You'll feel it. The minute
Yeah.
you go flat, it'll be like,
Yeah.
Whereas if you go 10-15%, it'll sound better as well. Normal ignition, P1, P2.
Yeah.
Start button. TC will be set, power steering, everything will be set, all these will be set. So it's archaic, mate. You're used to this, you've driven this plenty of times. Down, start this.
Check this thing out. Celine GT1 car, 7-liter V8. Such a cool looking weapon. Look at all the ducting for the brakes. Firing up the 962 now. That is so damn cool.
I can't, it's not going in.
That just filled about 5 gallons of fuel in 3 seconds. Look at this Renault with a roof scoop. That is hilarious. I guess it's for air conditioning because it's so hot here. Pretty cool to see all the cars getting set up in this old style paddock. Kind of reminds me of Goodwood Festival of Speed. All right, guys, easily my favorite car here so far, the MC12, but this is a full race car version. It's won 3 world championships, naturally aspirated V12 from the Ferrari Enzo. This thing is absolutely insane. Apparently the finest example of any MC12 in the entire world. Every single angle on this car is absolutely ridiculous. All right, they're about to fire up the GT1 Aston Martin. Apparently they have to warm the engine for about 30 minutes to get the oil to temperature before it's even capable of starting. All right, that thing is ridiculously loud. I can't imagine at full throttle. That Celine sounds insane. Get a load of the Celine race car jacked up in the air. This thing actually looks like a McLaren F1 from afar. All right, guys, Archie's about to show us first-person point of view what it's like to drive a GT1 Aston Martin. Here she comes. Woohoo!
The car feels mega.
Yeah.
There's good balance overall. Traction controls are on one, working quite well. You'll feel the traction control coming. The brakes are quite good, they're well balanced. You've got a bit of traction issues on the rear end, and the mid-speed in the rear end comes a little bit loose in the mid-speed. But otherwise it feels well balanced, it's nice.
Cool. Cool.
How was that?
So fast, it's cool. Really cool experience, like. Sound good?
Sound ridiculous.
It was super cool, like. Yeah, it's just good to be back, you know. The way the car goes up the gears, down the gears, it's bonkers. absolutely bonkers. But
Well guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.